Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Take 3 Crossbody. This is a Toby Stylix pattern. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest little crossbody bag ever. It would be so perfect for travel when you don't want to be carrying anything too big. And you don't have to carry too much in it, like your phone, maybe a mask, comb, lip gloss, etc. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it has a magnetic clasp closure. You can see it has 3 pouches, a handle, a crossbody strap. When you open it up, we have the 3 pouches. In between these pouches, we have a slip pocket. And then each of these open up quite big, almost like an accordion. You open up really nice and big for 3 different pouches. It's simple, yet mighty. Small, yet mighty. I mean, how adorable is this bag? Now, this bag can be made in vinyls like I've done here. It can be made in cottons. You can make it in whatever you like. So, if you are one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one, depending when you're watching this. This is the bag we are making in the September 2022 Thursday evening sew-along classes. So the tutorial is now available to anybody in those classes. If you're watching this when I made the video at the beginning of September, if it's at the end of September, then the tutorial should be up. It'll go live right after the last class, the last Thursday of the month. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you hit that bell notification so when this does go live, you do know it's there. Or if you can't wait and you would like to see this tutorial right now, in September of 2022, you can always either join the classes, or if you didn't want to join the classes, you could also join the lowest tier of the membership, which is only $5 a month, $4.99 a month actually, and that gets you access to all of the early class tutorials that I do release. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye!